so we have our tweeter here, and we have our pod that's connected to the factory adapter. We'll pull that off in a second to show. And then here we've got our quick disconnect plug. There we go. And so this is for the factory tweeter and how it normally plugs in. So just have this adapter here. That plugs into the tweeter, and then this fits with this right over the top. And then your tweeter fires through right here through the grill. All right, so we have our tweeter here. This is our adapter plate in the middle, and then this metal piece here is from the factory assembly for the tweeter. We've just taken the factory screw, and that goes into our adapter here, and then our tweeter attaches to that. And then so when it's all together, it sits in here just like the factory tweeter did, and you just screw it in.